American automotive industry has seen its fair share of failures, with some cars being dubbed as the worst in history due to poor performance, reliability issues, and subpar build quality. These vehicles serve as a lesson for manufacturers and provide a unique perspective for car enthusiasts. Despite their shortcomings, they hold a special place in automotive history. So, sit back, grab some popcorn, and get ready to be entertained as we take a trip down memory lane and relive the worst cars in American automotive history. AMC Gremlin. First up, the AMC Gremlin. This quirky little car was introduced in 1970 and quickly gained a reputation for its poor quality and unreliability. Despite its unique design, which was unlike anything on the market at the time, drivers couldn't look past its numerous mechanical issues and frequent breakdowns. The AMC Gremlin was designed to be an affordable, compact car that would appeal to drivers looking for a more efficient alternative to larger vehicles. However, the Gremlin's low cost came at the expense of quality, as many of its components were cheaply made and prone to breaking down. Some of the most common issues with the AMC Gremlin included transmission problems, engine failures, and electrical issues. This led to a high rate of repairs and a reputation for unreliability that's never quite gone away. Despite its many problems, the AMC Gremlin remains an iconic car in American automotive history, remembered for its unique design and memorable commercial jingles. Chevrolet Vega. Next, we have the Chevrolet Vega. This car was intended to compete with the popular foreign imports, but it quickly became known for its rust problems and poor performance. Despite its high-tech engine, the Vega was plagued by reliability issues and quickly became a joke among car enthusiasts. The Chevrolet Vega was introduced in 1970 and was marketed as a compact, fuel-efficient car that would appeal to consumers looking to save money at the pump. However, the Vega's reputation was quickly tarnished by numerous quality issues, including rust problems that plagued many of the cars produced. In addition to rust, the Chevrolet Vega was also known for its poor performance, as many drivers reported that the engine was underpowered and prone to stalling. This, combined with its tendency to rust, quickly led to a decline in sales and a tarnished reputation. These persistent problems earned the Chevrolet Vega a reputation as one of the worst cars of all time and a cautionary tale for car manufacturers everywhere. Ford Pinto. Last but not least, a Ford Pinto. This car was plagued by dangerous design flaws and explosions in rear-end collisions. Despite its popularity and affordability, the Pinto's legacy is forever tarnished by its association with one of the most infamous automotive scandals in history. The Ford Pinto was introduced in 1970 and was marketed as a small, affordable car that would appeal to budget-conscious consumers. However, the Pinto's reputation was quickly tarnished by a series of safety scandals that revealed the car was prone to exploding in rear-end collisions. This was due to a design flaw that caused the fuel tank to be located too close to the rear bumper, making it vulnerable to damage in collisions. This led to numerous high-profile accidents and even a lawsuit against Ford, which cemented the Pinto's reputation as a dangerous and unreliable car. The Pinto was a disaster from start to finish, with its dangerous design flaws earning it a reputation as one of the worst cars ever produced. So, there you have it, the worst cars in American history. These cars may have been plagued by reliability issues and dangerous design flaws, but they'll always be remembered for their unique place in automotive history. From the quirky AMC Gremlin to the infamous Ford Pinto. These cars serve as a reminder that quality and safety should never be compromised in the pursuit of affordability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating automotive content. And if you have any personal stories or experiences with these cars, feel free to share them in the comments below.